Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ayendiesto. And for today's 6th episode, mga must-try drinks sa City Times Square, Iloilo.
City Times Square, Iloilo.
Is located at Isano City Center, Benigno Aquino Avenue, Diversion Road, Mandurriao, Iloilo City. Held a 3-day event, Street Food Night Market 2.0, November 15 to November 17, 2019. Opens 4 p.m. until 12 midnight. It is a big gathering of newly opened and famous local brands in Iloilo City. Welcome mga kanos! So I have here the 3 brands sa 3-day event sa Street Food Night Market sa City Times Square, Iloilo. So I have here Dodo Milk Tea, Local Coffee, and GP Positivity. They're best sellers mga kanos. And for this is their fruit series. For Dodo Milk Tea, this is their best seller. This is 16 ounce mango lychee fruit juice nila. Yan mga kanos. Mix po natin mga kanos. Meron siyang lychee and mango dito sa ilalim when you mix. Tapos yung maganda sa kanya mga kanos, refreshing siya. At the same time, hindi siya yung typical na malasa mo yung sweetener or syrup. Okay, next si Okinawa by Dodo. Also 16 ounce for medium size. Hindi siya masyadong matamis. Saktong-sakto lang siya. At wala akong malasahan na powdery feel kahit powdered base product ito or milk tea. So, good job Dodo. Mga nose, I have here their fruit teas for local coffee. I have hibiscus and green tea. So, luckily, yung manager nila, binigyan ako ng isang free drink, and for the other one is binayaran ko. For their plain tea, it's 50 pesos mga kanos. And if you want premium flavors, which I'll be providing from the description below, just add 40 pesos. And if you want na milkify or add milk, just add 10 pesos. Mga kanos, for green tea, blue raspberry nila. And for hibiscus, they give me kiwi. Hindi po available mga kanos yung clear cups nila, but they have paper cups. I-open ko muna yung lid mga kanos so that makita niyo yung itsura niya. Ito po yung blue raspberry nila na milkify na siya. Maganda kasi mga kanos, local coffee uses paper straw. So, very good. So, taste test natin mga kanos. Ayan. Naguluhan ako mga kanos, especially sa taste niya. Kasi may milk na siya, tapos hinanap ko yung green tea taste. After taste ko lang siya na nalasahan yung green tea. Pero yung unang talaga makikin sa akin, yung blueberry, raspberry niya. Siguro, I must suggest talaga yung Milkify kasi power yung blue raspberry. So next mga kanos, si Kiwi Hibiscus. Kunin ko muna yung lid mga kanos para makita nyo yung color. So mix natin mga kanos. Taste test. Ang sarap. Nandun talaga yung lasang tea essence ng hibiscus tea. Yung kiwi, perfect combination siya. Kung pipiliin ako sa dalawa, ito mas prefer ko sa hibiscus. So next is GP Positivity. I have 2 different drinks mga kanos, 1 milk tea and 1 lemon. This is mga kanos, their lemon mansi honey. This is 70 pesos for medium size. And nag-add ako mga kanos, chia seeds for 10 pesos. So, I want to experience na healthy product naman. Ito mga nose, yung chia seeds niya sa baba. Tapos, may slice of lemon sa taas. So, i-mix natin mga kanos. Wow. Ito talaga, hindi talaga sila gumagamit ng syrup base or para madaya sa lemonades nila. Ito fresh na fresh talaga yung lemonades nila. Yung zest, yung chia seeds nila, ang sarap. So, good job. Okay, for my next drink mga kanos, this is milk tea, dark chocolate for 65 pesos, medium size. Yan, mga kanos. So, mix natin mga kanos. Chocolate niya. On point naman siya when it comes to dark chocolate. Sa pearls naman, okay naman siya. Whole naman siya. Okay for rating mga kanos. For mango lychee fruit juice, I'll give this a 10. Okinawa milk tea, 10 also. So congrats Dodo milk tea. And for this one, si green tea blue raspberry, give this a 9. And for their kiwi hibiscus, ito talaga, stand out talaga to sa akin. Yung lemon mansi honey nila with chia seeds, a 10. And also for their dark chocolate, is a perfect 10 also. Thank you mga kanos, especially staff, baristas, and owners nandun na nag-accommodate sa akin and also providing me their best sellers and best products. So, it was a fun experience mga kanos, and good service, good quality of products, and also budget-friendly to mga kanos. Thank you for watching mga kanos. If you like this video, please do like and share to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Brian Gesto, saying